All right, I just got this today. Should be my Roman tub filler, my floor mount tub filler. I guess we'll find out in a second here. Little ding in the box, but shouldn't be anything to worry about. I've noticed these companies are packing things a lot better due to America's delivery services not being the most gentle with other people's stuff. All right. All right, there we go. And we're off. Like we're not saving this box. There we go. Oh, yep, it's fine. Real nice looking too. So we got the floor bezel, nice silicone / rubber protector there. Probably something going on top. Hot and cold water hookup. The hand shower. Plastic. I'm okay with plastic because the metal stuff always corrodes and gets pinhole leaks. And there's your hot and cold water hookup. Your heavy duty floor mount is threaded too, which is good. Good sign. Some high quality lag bolts for the floor. And here's your faucet. This thing is a good heavyweight. The whole box weighed 12 pounds. So this is a good heavyweight. Look at that, it's labeled hot, cold, cool. This has an H and a C on it. Nice smooth motion. Very smooth. Very nice looking. No dings or anything that I can see. Has a mount for the hand shower here. All right, put that back. This is your floor mount. Very nice looking. It's threaded. Decent quality, decent mill metal. Not super thick, but once it's mounted, should be fine. Last but not least, your hand shower. Very modern, very nice looking. Decent quality. So yeah, this thing is really nice. I mean, for the money, I don't see any instructions, but oh, there they are, right in the top. So there you have it. Well packaged, good quality, and that's it.